Question number 6, exercise 2.6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5/7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 4 years from now. 4 years from now, that means after 4 years, the ratio of their ages is 3/4. So find their present ages. अब हमको जब भी रेशियो इस तरह से गिवन है, whenever the ratio is given like this, so let us assume, let the present age of Hari and Harry are 5x and 7x respectively. Now 4 years from now, ages of Hari and Harry will be, or after 4 years, 4 years from now, the ages of Hari and Harry will be, Hari and Harry will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 respectively. And after 4 years, the ratio of their ages will become, after 4 years their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. The ratio of their ages will become 3/4. This is our equation which we have to solve to find the value of x. Again we have to do the cross multiplication. You will never forget it. 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमको लगता है सभी बच्चों को आता है, इसीलिए हम इसको कर लेते हैं. तो now we'll open the bracket. 4 5s are 20x plus 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 12. Now separate variables and constant. 16 minus 12 is equal to 21x minus 20x. So 4 is equal to x. Now we have got the value of x. So Hari's present age will be, 5x is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Harry's present age will be, 7x, which is equal to 7 into 4, that is 7 4s are 28 years. Now we can check our problem whether it is correct or not. So checking we can do. Now the present ages are, present ages of Hari and Harry are, present ages of Hari and Harry are 20 and 28 years respectively. Now after 4 years, that is 20 plus 4, Hari age will be 20 plus 4 and Harry age will be 28 plus 4, that is 24 upon 32. Let us check what is their ratio. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. The ratio is 3 by 4. This is given in our problem. Then after 4 years, the ratio of their ages is 3 by 4. So in this way we can check here. Checking. This is our checking. We have find the value correct or not. So present ages are 20 and 28 years, and we have added 4 to both their ages, so it will become 24 and 32. And we have checked the ratio of their ages, and the ratio of their ages is 3 by 4, which is already given in the problem. That means our answer is correct. So answer, present ages of Hari and Harry are 20 years and 28 years. I hope children you have understood.